think I did that backwards. That's the one thing. If no one's taught me what's the proper way to open the gate, because sometimes I do it, and the horse is like, oh yeah,